Okay, I have two sides of an equation. I have a left side and a right side. Right now, my variable is x, and it's on the left side, and it's got a little purple thing with it, which I've got to get rid of. So I go down here to the bottom, and I have a black one, which is the opposite. If I wanted to do the same one, I could do that. Well, if I added the same, then I'm going to have two of those, which is not what I want to do. So I want to get rid of that, so I'm going to add the opposite. Whatever I do to one side, got to do it to the other. Now you combine like terms, and you get this little green thing. Cancels out. Get rid of that thing. And they're solving for x, and it's equal to those two things. We'll try one more of these bad boys. Okay, right here, we've got the little stars flashing around the x, so that's what we're solving for. So our variable's on the right side. Okay, again, the only thing over here is this little purple thing, but I want to get rid of my negative a and my positive a before I get rid of this, because, well, I'll go ahead and show you. If I go ahead and put that there, whenever I do the right side, I have to do the left side. Okay, now the little tomato guy and the little b, they're not canceling out. But I have got to cancel out my a's, so I slide them together, and they become that, and I get rid of the zero pair. Do the same thing over here. All that's left is the x, and then it solves for the variable. Okay, so now we've got to the variable on the left side, right here at the x. So I've got the little black tomato guy, so I'll need to cancel him out with the orange tomato guy. And then to cancel the c out, I will need a negative c. So I'll go down here and I'll flip this guy over, and I will get a negative c. So whatever I do to one side, got to do to the other. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel those out and get my zero pair right now. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the tomato guy. And I would not add a black one, because if I added a black one, that would just give me two of them. That's not going to cancel them out. So I'm going to add the orange guy. And whatever I do to one side, you got to do the other. Okay, I'm going to make some zero pairs going on. Make zero pairs. Okay, so now I'm always going to get rid of these first, because in order to solve, it's just how this program works. Okay. So that one's done. Okay, and this will be the last one that I show you, because I could go on all day and show you all these, because I love it. Hold on, where's my... Okay, I could go on all day and show you these, but this is the last one I'm going to show you. If you look up here, it tells you should have a total of 13 moves. Okay, this is my variable. Now we have some division going on. Okay, I can do whatever I want to do first. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to combine my d and my negative d and get my zero pair. Go ahead and get rid of that one. Okay, I'm going to show you the division. When you divide two numbers that are the same, you get 1, right? So you move them up and you get your 1. Okay, put my black one and my white one together for a zero pair, and then that goes away. Okay, get rid of this c. You got to come down here and make this a negative c, and then you add a negative c to both sides. Then you can cancel out your c's with the zero pair. Then I have this black armadillo thing. So to get rid of that black armadillo thing, I'm going to put this blue armadillo thing. And whatever I do to one side, got to do the other. So now I will combine over here first and get my zero pair. They go away. Now I make my zero pair here. They go away. And I get my variable is equal to negative c. Okay, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this.